Today we'll be assembling the Air Ride balance bike. First, take the front half of the frame and place it into the rear of the frame. Make sure to line up the two holes, and then insert the two halves of the Chicago bolt, threading them together as you do. Once those two halves are connected, use the included hex keys to tighten the bolt fully. Next, we'll assemble the front wheel. Make sure that the rotation arrow is facing forward as you assemble this wheel. Take the fork stem and place it through the head tube of the main frame. Next, take the clamp cover and slide it over the stem of the handlebars. Now, slide the clamp on in the same way. Take the handlebar assembly and slide it into the stem of the front fork. Depress the spring pin and make sure it snaps into position. Take the clamp, slide it over the stem of the fork, and using an adjustable wrench, tighten down the nut fully. Slide the clamp cover into place, making sure it's fully seated. To adjust the height of the seat, open the seat clamp, lift the seat to your desired position, then close it back down. And now, you're ready to roll.